Hello and welcome to Brighter Health Info. Yoga has 5 heart health benefits. We are all aware of the numerous health advantages of yoga, including its positive effects on the heart. It's no secret that yoga is healthy for your body and mind, offering advantages including enhanced strength, more vitality, and improved flexibility. Additionally, there is mounting proof that it may be advantageous for your heart. Numerous clinical studies have been conducted on the ancient Indian discipline of yoga, and the results suggest that all those downward-facing dogs and sun salutations can help keep your heart healthy. For instance, an experiment reported in the International Journal of Yoga in March 2022 discovered that after 12 weeks of yoga practice, which included completing breathing exercises and yoga postures, commonly known as asanas, around an hour consistently, patients with stable cardiovascular breakdown who were additionally on standard clinical treatment experienced a critical improvement in left ventricular discharge division, which estimates how well the left ventricle office of the heart can siphon blood with every heartbeat. In the event that you have a heart condition, address your PCP about which level of yoga might be ideal for you. What's more, on the off chance that you're simply beginning in yoga or have well-being concerns, talk with the yoga teacher before class. Your teacher can offer tips and alterations so you can take advantage of the class. 1. Yoga makes you move, which is good. Not getting sufficient activity can prompt coronary illness, the #1 enemy of all kinds of people in the U.S., as per the American Heart Affiliation, AHA. In any case, it's never past the time to begin. Research shows that individuals who do yoga are bound to become dynamic and take on smart dieting propensities, which can safeguard the heart. The consequences of another survey, distributed in 2020 in the Global Diary of Ecological Exploration and General Well-Being, showed that extending practices altogether decreased blood vessel solidness, the solidifying of the supply routes that siphon blood to the heart and all through the body, and further developed heart capability in moderately aged and more established grown-ups. The AHA suggests something like 30 minutes of moderate power oxygen-consuming action somewhere around 5 days out of every week for general heart well-being, and moderate to extreme focus muscle-reinforcing action no less than 2 days out of each week for extra medical advantages. 2. Yoga promotes relaxation. While scientists haven't decided precisely how stress adds to coronary illness, stress can prompt an expansion in ways of behaving and different variables that lift coronary illness risk. These incorporate smoking, actual inertia, gorging, and hypertension. Concentrates on demonstrating the way that yoga can assist with working on emotional well-being, increment sensations of unwinding, and work on an individual's state of mind among individuals who practice it. The Psyche Body practice manages the parasympathetic sensory system, part of the sensory system that advises you to quiet down. While scientists haven't decided precisely how stress adds to coronary illness, stress can prompt an expansion in ways of behaving and different variables that lift coronary illness risk. One of the fundamental focal points of all styles of yoga is the consciousness of the breath and being more careful, he says. So either express or understood thoughtfulness regarding pressure decrease is inborn in practically all yoga classes. 3. Yoga might reduce your risk of high blood pressure. Yoga might assume a part in overseeing prehypertension, as per a methodical survey distributed in September 2021 in Logical World Diary. Scientists evaluated a small bunch of studies that tracked down reflection, breathing and yoga workout, diminished both systolic and diastolic circulatory strain, the top and base number on a pulse perusing, in patients with prehypertension. While the survey didn't give an organized portion of yoga postures and breathing procedures, the review creators finished up yoga can assist with diminishing the possibility of growing hypertension or coronary illness. We know physiologically what yoga does is move forward the parasympathetic tone within the anxious system, says Shamita Misra, MD, an obstetrician at the College of Missouri Well-Being Care in Columbia, who has moreover considered the impacts of yoga on blood weight. It brings down the heart rate, and the less the heart has got to work, the less steps you take, the more grounded those steps will be. 4. Yoga can calm an unequal heartbeat. Atrial fibrillation, or AFib, is a strange heart musicality portrayed by fast and unpredictable pulsating that can prompt stroke and different difficulties. As per a review introduced at the European Culture of Cardiology Congress in 2020, rehearsing yoga could assist individuals with AFib deal with their side effects. The review selected 538 members from 2012 to 2017. For a considerable length of time, Members didn't do yoga. Then, at that point, for quite a long time, they went to 30-minute yoga meetings every other day, which included stances and relaxing. 5. Yoga strengthens community spirit. After a respiratory failure or another critical heart occasion, numerous patients might feel a feeling of social detachment, which could foster despondency. The patient may not have a real sense of reassurance or sufficiently able to go making the rounds, says Dr. Ostfeld. Taking part in yoga classes can give a feeling of the local area that might end up being useful to facilitate these sensations of misery and seclusion. A yoga class furnishes a protected climate and association with others moving and streaming together, Dr. Khan says. It's difficult to evaluate the advantages of social collaboration. However, that's what I believe, assuming you take individuals with medical problems, and assuming there's a spot they have that they feel at ease, they are bound to settle on better choices. How to pick the right yoga class for you? Keen on attempting a yoga class? While there are numerous yoga styles to look over, you don't need to stay with only one. What's more, jumping into a troublesome 1-hour class to begin seeing advantages isn't required either, says Dr. Misra. You truly needn't bother with that long mediation, since when I did my review, we found results after the 15 minutes of just yoga breathing, says Misra. Yet, we don't have that data on what is the basic number in minutes of mediation with yoga that delivers the positive result. Watch for more informative videos. Please subscribe and like our YouTube channel at Brighter Health Info. Also visit our website www.brighterhealthinfo.com and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.